So good morning and welcome to all for the day 7 of bridge course from Pragati PU College. And in previous class, we were seeing the accounting equation. So what do you mean by the accounting equation? What is the equation say? The equation says accounting equation is equal to, can someone tell please? What does it say? Anna's loose coat. A stands for assets. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, isn't it? So accounting equation. So accounting equation says the accounting equation says assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Correct? Capital. So always you should remember this. Anna's loose coat. That is a shortcut to remember the formula. So assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So in accounting equation, for recording the transactions, accounts are classified into following types. Say assets. Assets should be there in accounting equation. So A should be there, L should be there, C should be there. As I said in the previous class, that you should remember. Apart from that, we saw the expenses and the revenues. Okay, other name for revenue is income.
Income.
Very good. Or it can also be called as gains. That means profit. So expense means losses. Which are the money is going away from the business or called as expenses or losses. The money which is coming into the company, into the business, is called as revenue, income, gain, profit. So you should remember. So these 5 things are the basic things. First 3 basic things are assets, liabilities, capital. Then apart from that, expenses and revenues. So these 5 things you should remember. Right. And we were seeing this problem in the previous class, right? And the time was up and we couldn't finish this problem. So again, we are going to come to this same problem. Hope everyone would have reviewed at home. The same problem I had posted in the WhatsApp also. We'll run through this quickly and we are going to solve one more problem in this class. And I want you people to answer. First, we'll finish off this. So this is based on the accounting equation. So problem number 1 says it has, we need to prepare an accounting equation. Okay. We need to prepare a statement based on the accounting equation. So what does it say? Sandeep started business with cash, 1 lakh. So here in the solution, Sandeep started with business with a cash. How much? In asset sides, liability and capital side. So we should separate it. We know the formula, accounting equation formula. What does it say? Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Simple. So you should form a table like this and you should write on all the transaction. You see, all the transaction here has to be transferred in the solution like this, simple. That is the first rule. Second rule, we need to separate assets and liabilities and capital separate. Okay, so 2 columns we should make. And in this, you just go through this. Sandeep started business with cash. That means in assets, cash should come. Then purchase furniture for cash. Purchase furniture for cash. That means furniture column should come. Then purchase goods for cash, purchased goods for credit. That means stock should come. So always remember, whenever the goods is coming into picture, where do you store the goods? In the warehouse, in the stock. So that is called as stock. All the goods which are there in the company are called as stock. Okay. And rent paid. That means that cash will be coming into picture. Then goods, costing goods means stock. It's sold at 40,000 rupees at a profit of 20% for cash. That means that again it will come under cash only. So simple, everything, all the 6 serial numbers and the transaction should transfer into the solution. 6 serial number and the transaction should get transferred. First rule. Then we'll start entering the values here. See here, Sandeep started business with cash. Under cash, 1 lakh should come. And right hand, always remember, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Why? This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Why we say left hand side is equal to right hand side? Because the formula says assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities and capital come under one group. Assets come under one group. So in between what is there is equal to symbol is there. So that's why we need to always see that left hand side should be equal to right hand side. That means 1 lakh rupee is invested in cash. That means what it is called? Investment is called as capital. So 1 lakh rupees coming here, right hand side. Please concentrate, okay? Purchased furniture for cash. So 1 lakh rupee is there. Purchased furniture, how much? See here, purchased furniture for cash, 5,000 rupees. That means out of 1 lakh rupee, 5,000 rupees is gone. So how much it will become? 1 lakh minus 5,000, it becomes 95,000. Okay. But here what you have to do? So cash, you're removing 5,000 here. But here you're purchasing furniture for 5,000 rupees. So that's why it should come here. But again, left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Correct? Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. How much it will become? 1 lakh minus 5,000.
1 lakh.
1 lakh minus 5,000, it becomes 95. 95 plus 5,000. It becomes 1 lakh. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you should not make a mistake in the problem. So always check. Once you complete, you should check whether the same thing is coming. 1 lakh is coming here, 1 lakh is there. Okay, done. Next, come here. Come to third point. Purchased goods for cash. That means you are paying the cash from the capital. So cash you have 1 lakh, right? Out of 1 lakh, you removed 5,000 for furniture. 95,000 is left. And again, you are purchasing goods for cash. How much is left? 20,000 is, that means 20,000 is gone. So 75,000 is left. Then again in furniture, you have to add it. Same thing, you have to bring that down. That's it. That means plus 5,000 rupees will be there. Then is stock, how much is the stock built up now? 20,000. That means you have the goods or the products worth how much? 20,000. How 20,000? Because you're paying cash of 20,000 and buying the product, stock. So that's why the 20,000 should come under stock. Now come to purchased goods for credit. Already we have 95 minus 20, 75,000 cash is left. And already we have bought 5,000 rupees furniture and 20,000 rupees stock is there with us, right? And purchased goods for credit. That means we are getting the product and we are going to pay the money later. That is called as credit. Bringing the product now, purchasing the product now and paying the amount later. That is called as
buy
credit.
now, pay later.
Excellent. So it becomes, how much is that? Purchase goods for credit. See the problem? It is 36,000.
36,000.
Yeah, that means in stock is added how much? 36,000 is added. Why it should come under stock? Because it clearly says purchased goods. Goods means stock. For credit, whether for cash or credit, it should come here only. That means 20 plus 36,000, how much it becomes?
56,000.
56,000. So it should come in the next. So 5,000 furniture, it should come like this only. Bottom, bring it down. And here no, we know 75,000 cash is there. That also just bring it down. But rent paid, how much is the rent paying? We are paying the
700.
rent of 700. That means we are paying the rent. That is an expense. Okay, paying the rent is expense. That means minus 700. How much it becomes? 75,000 minus 700. It becomes 74,300. And bring this down like this only. 5,000 should come down and 56,000 should come down. 56,000. Then last one, goods costing rupees 40,000 sold at a profit of 20% for cash. We need to do the calculation of sales price has to be done as I have shown in the left side. So cost of the goods sold is how much? 40,000. 40,000 you have to mention here. Then for how much I was told, how much I was sold, what is the profit I am getting? 20%. That means 20% of 40,000 will become how much? 20% means how we have to take 20 divided by 100. 20 divided
Into
by 100
40,000.
into 40,000. That means two zeros gone. 400 into 2, 20. That means 4 2s are 8. And remaining 3 zeros. That means it becomes 8,000. So total it. So that is 48,000 rupees. That means I am selling at 48,000 rupees for cash, right? That means I am getting the cash of 48,000 rupees. That means see here, remaining is 74,300 is the remaining cash, and I sold the goods at 48,000 rupees. That means here is the 48,000 rupees. 40 plus 8,000 rupees is the profit. So the total will become 48,000. So 48,000 you have to add because you're getting for cash. So 74,300 plus 48,000, how much it becomes? 1,22,300. That's it. And again bring this down 5,000. And why stock I put 40,000 minus 40,000? Because
we sold
yeah,
40,000
very good.
stock.
We sold 40,000 worth of goods. That's why we have to put minus 40,000. Okay, so that means 56,000 minus 40,000, it becomes 16,000. Here also same thing. See, 36,000 I'm getting the I'm purchasing goods for credit. That means it should come under creditors. Okay, under liabilities, it should come under the creditors. That means we are purchasing the item now and paying it later. So that's why it should come under creditors. That means company has to give the money. So that's why it should come under liability. Under liability, it is creditors. So 36,000 is there, plus 1 lakh is there. And again, here rent paid, the same thing will be there. 36,000 I need to pay later, and 1 lakh rupee is the capital. Out of that, how much is going? 700 rupees is going. So 700 rupees is gone because it's not coming, right? Coming back. It is not coming back. So that's why you need to put it under capital minus 700. And again, you see 1 lakh minus 700 becomes 99,300. And we are goods sold at 40,000 at a profit of 20%. That means it is 8,000 rupees, right? So we are getting a profit. So that's why it should come under right side. See, under capital, 99,300 plus 8,000 rupees should get added here. Okay. So again, bring it down 36,000 like that and add it. How much it becomes? 1,07,300 rupees. And add it, it becomes 1,43,300. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means both the sides you should get tallied. Tally means both sides it should be equal. Not even a single rupee or 1 paisa should be having the difference. So both the left hand side and the right hand side should be equal. Clear, children? Already,
Yes,
I think
sir.
half I had explained in the last class, and again I had given for homework just to see and come. Right? Hope everyone would have seen, and now everyone are clear
Yes,
on
sir.
this. If anyone has got any doubts, please ask me. All right. I think we'll go to the next problem and we'll solve the problem in the class now. And I want your support and help to solve it. You people have to solve and give the answers to me. Okay. Here we go. Okay. This is the empty one. And I've changed the values. Same problem I have taken. And now you have to prepare a accounting equation statement. What we have to do? Prepare a accounting equation statement. That means this is the statement. Solution is the statement. But what is the question they are asking? It is similar to the previous question. Only thing, the red thing what I mentioned, right, highlighted in red, that is the values which I changed from the previous question. Otherwise, it is same like the previous question only. Now let us start. Sandeep started with the business. Please go and telling. I will type it.
Cash 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs, huh? Okay.
Yes.
2 lakhs. Okay, here.
Capital 2 lakh.
Capital also will be 2 lakhs because that is the investment. Everyone, please concentrate so that you'll clearly understand. It's very simple. Only thing you should be very careful in entry. That's it. Next. Anything is there here? No, nothing, right? Come to second. What I need to type here? Purchased furniture for cash.
2 lakh
2 lakhs, same thing, we'll bring it down.
Minus 5,000.
plus 5,000 furniture
Furniture should be 5,000.
5,000.
minus 5,000 under cash.
Yes, exactly correct. That means, so 5,000 rupees we have bought the furniture, but here we need to just
Subtract 5,000.
correct. So out of 5 lakh rupees, sorry, that means minus 5,000. Why we are using minus 5,000? Because we are removing the cash 5,000 from the 2 lakhs rupees and buying the furniture. So that's why it is 2 lakhs minus this one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
1,50,000.
Yeah, here how much it should be the this one? It should be same, right? 2 lakhs. The cash should be same. You see here, check here, left hand side, how much is there? 2 lakhs minus 5,000, how much it becomes? 2 lakh minus 5,000.
1 lakh 95,000.
Very good.
95,000.
1,95,000. That means 1,95,000 plus this
Plus
5,000. It
5,000
becomes
will
2
become
lakhs.
2
2
lakh.
lakhs. So that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Please, students, ensure that always the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. And don't continue without clearing that. Okay. If it is not coming correctly, then something wrong you have done. So check everything each step and then go further. Clear? Next. This is 1,95,000.
1,95,000
Yeah. Next, come to the
plus
purchase.
5,000
Yeah, purchase goods for. Yeah, that means 1,45,000 should come here, and then 5,000 should. That just we should bring it down. That's it. Okay, we are bringing it down 5,000 rupees. Next.
plus 40,000 stock.
Purchase goods for cash. That means purchase goods for cash is 40,000 rupees. That means cash means we need to remove. First, we'll put this stock here. Okay.
Plus 40,000.
Yeah. Yeah. That means 40,000 rupees. Clear?
Yes.
One minute. So we can mention that as 40,000 rupees. Okay. 40,000 rupees. Then what?
Minus 40,000 under cash.
Excellent. Very good. Why minus 40,000?
Because we are buying a stock
Goods.
for cash.
Excellent.
Goods for cash.
Excellent. Very good. Super. Excellent. So purchase goods for cash is 40,000. Where does the cash come? From the capital, right? So 1,95,000 is remaining amount. Out of that, 40,000 rupees will be taken cash.
1,55,000.
Very good. And we are going to buy the stock. Same thing should come. My minus 40 should come here. It should be plus 40. Okay. So 40,000 stock we are buying. And how much will become left hand side? See, the minus 40 plus 40 is gone. How much is remaining? 1,95,000 plus 5,000. How much it becomes?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. 2. So 2 lakhs is coming into picture here. 2 lakhs. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, how much it will become? 1,95,000 minus 40.
1,55,000.
Excellent. 1,55,000. Very simple. And what you are going to do this one? 5,000. It has to come down.
Plus 5.
Bring it down. 40,000 also just bring it down for next calculation. That's it. So you bought everything. So you have to minus this and keep it and bring everything down. 5,000 should come down. 40,000 should come down. Clear? Next.
Yes,
are we doing anything here? Come to this fourth one. What does it say? Purchase goods for credit. How much we are purchasing?
36,000
36,000. That means stock is 36,000.
plus 36,000.
Very good. 36,000. Hope all students are understanding, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
concept, it is very, very simple. So 36,000 is coming into picture here. Okay. And right hand side immediately, are we buying, should we put minus 36,000 below 1,55,000?
No, sir.
No, we should
No,
not
sir.
put it because we are
Because
not
it's
taking
credit.
it is credit. Excellent, good. So that's why it should come under stock of 36,000. And credit means right hand side, what should come here?
Liabilities. Under liabilities.
Very
36,000.
good. Excellent. Superb. So 36,000 is coming here. Why means it is a liability. So that's why under creditors, it should come 36,000 rupees. Okay. And how much should be here? Because already 2 lakhs
2
is
lakhs.
already 2 lakhs is there. It should be matching to 2 lakhs. So it should come 2 lakhs there. Clear? So this side is finished now. So then let us come to the rent paid. Rent paid. That means you should bring it down everything. That is the first rule.
1,55,000.
50,000, 5,000 for each row is an accounting row. Okay, so that's why all the accounts has to come down. 1,55,000 should come down, and wow, this should
Plus
come down
5,000.
and this one we should total
76,000.
excellent 76,000 should come into picture. Okay, and here rent paid. How much is the rent?
Minus 700.
Very good. The total capital left or cash left is 1,55,000 only. Out of that, we have to remove how much? 700. Why minus?
700.
Because
Because
it is an expense.
it's an expense.
Very good. It is an expense. And we are removing that cash from the capital. So remaining capital is 1,55,000. So that's why minus 700. Okay. So remaining things will be as it is. So come here. The same thing you should bring it down. That is 36,000 will come down. 36,000 will come down. And here
2 lakh minus 700.
2 lakhs will come here. Excellent. And see here whether both left and right side is matching. It is not matching. Why means minus 700 is missing. So that means here it should come. Why means it is expense.
Expense.
Now you should understand. You know where to put the assets, right? Cash,
Yes, sir.
furniture, stock, and all. But you should know where to put the expenses and profits. See, expenses will come on capital only. So 2 lakhs minus 700, because out of 2 lakhs minus 700 is gone. It will not come back to us. So that's why it should minus 700. That is the logic. Okay. And come to left hand side. So 1,55,000 minus 700. What is the answer now?
1,54,300.
Excellent. 1 lakh. I think only she is answering. Others are keeping quiet. You don't have the calculator? You should have the calculator for accounts, okay? Or any other subject. So it becomes 1,54,300. What should do? You should bring that down. 5,000
5,000.
and you should
76,000.
excellent 76,000. You should bring it down. Right. And
36,000.
36,000. You should bring it down. And 2 lakh minus 700. How much?
1,99,300.
Very excellent. 1,99,300 is coming into picture. Next, come to this 6th one. What is the question is saying? Goods costing rupees 40,000 sold at a profit of 20% per cash. That means goods sold at 40,000. That means sold total. That means how much you are selling it. Total how much is gone. That means goods
48,000.
total 40 selling price is 48,000. That means out of this cash, out of this one, 48,000 is going. Okay. 48,000. That means we are selling 40,000 is going. So total stock is 40. First we'll come here and we have to put as minus 40,000. Clear? How did you get minus 40,000 here? Because we are selling the goods at 40,000. That means in the stock 40,000 rupees is gone. See, 40,000 rupees is gone in the 76,000. Total cost, total stock was how much? 76,000. Out of that 76,000, 40,000 is gone. Okay, so remaining will be how much? 76 minus 40.
36,000
76. Sorry, 36.
minus 40,000.
Yeah, 76 minus 40 will become 36,000. Keep it like this only. But here, left hand side is not matching because 40,000 is gone. But how much cash we are getting? Total.
48,000
Excellent. That means it should be
plus 48.
plus 48,000. It should be clear. Okay. 40,000, 48,000. And for 5,000, nothing to worry about 5,000. There is nothing added to the furniture. So here in this calculation, you should be thorough. As she is telling very sharply and fastly, correctly, everyone should practice it. That's it. So how much it will become? 1,58,000 minus 300.
2,02,300.
Excellent. That means it will become 2,02,300 rupees. Correct? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So please be clear. Why 40,000 minus 40,000 here? Because in the statement only they are telling goods costing rupees 40,000 sold at profit of 20% for cash. That means 40%, 40,000 in the stock is gone. And how much? See here, this stock, how much is getting? The selling price, how much we are getting? 48,000. I'm selling this 40,000 worth for 20% profit. That means 48,000 rupees I am selling it. So that's why 48,000 should come here. We should add. Already we have some cash and I'm selling 40,000 for 48,000 rupees. That means 48,000 rupees should come here and stock you should minus 40,000. Okay. And 5,000, just bring it down. 5,000 and come here on the right hand side. What you have to do? Should we do something here?
Plus
Excellent.
8,000.
Plus 8,000. Why means that is a profit. As I said, minus 70, minus 700 was the rent. So that was an expense. So that's why minus 700 should come here. And 8,000 should come here only. But it is plus 800. Why?
Because it's profit.
Because it is profit. So always remember. Okay. So all losses and profits or the income should come under capital only. You should remember that. That means it's getting added. Cash is coming and getting added to the capital. So that's why it should get to the capital only 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees is the profit. Now come here. This is 36,000. Let us put like this.
2,43,300.
1 minute. 36.
Good morning.
36,000 should come like this only, right?
Yeah, at the 10th का class okay बात थोड़ा बात हो गया.
I think someone is disturbing. Can they please put on the mute? And how much it becomes? 1,99,300.
2,07,300.
Excellent. Good. I am very proud of you. You are very fast and sharp. So 2,07,300. Okay. So now you add this. How much it becomes? How much? Jivita? Kevin?
I'm doing, sir.
Yeah. 2,300 plus 5,000 plus 36,000. How much it becomes? It becomes
47,300.
47 or 43? Check it. Add
43, sir.
43,300. Here also you see.
2,43,300, sir.
Excellent, excellent. So here also 2,07,000 plus 36. 36 plus 7, 42 plus 1,000 plus 300. So it becomes 2,43,300. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
2,43,300.
sir.
So this should be left hand side is right hand side. That means our problem, our solution is correct. We will get, so this problem will be 12 marks. For first PU, if you are going to do this, will come to 12 marks. Okay. And if the transactions are less, like only they're giving only 3 or 4 transactions. If the transactions are very less, then the marks also will be less. They can give for 6,000 or 6 marks or 8 marks. Okay. Otherwise, if the problem what I'm showing here, if you solve it, you will get 12 marks. The scoring is very, very easy in accountancy. But you should remember the rules and regulations. Okay, rules and regulations are very, very, very important here. And once you practice from the basics, everything, slowly understand the things. Don't be in a hurry to complete the portions. Okay, that is a tip for you, because you are no more kids. Okay, you are becoming adults, so that you are moving into the college. Okay, that means you should be having the lot of maturity. That means you have to spend time, quality time, and understand each and everything. If you have any small doubts also, don't move further, because the portions will be almost 4 times than your 10th standard. Clear? Accountancy, there will be 2 textbooks. It will be almost 4 to 5 times than your mathematics of 10th standard. All subjects, not only accountancy, all subjects of college will be 4 or 5 times much higher than the 10th standard syllabus. So now you should see, you should think how much effort you need to put it. Okay, so that's why whenever you're putting your time, don't waste that valuable time. Each second is like a gold coin. If you lose 1 second, one gold coin is gone. So please be 100% utilizing the time and 100% cautious in understanding the things, and don't move further unless your doubt is clear. See, here in our college, Pragati PU College, you can reach out to the lecturer directly anytime. Let it be at 10 o'clock in the night, okay, early morning 7 o'clock, or in between the class hours, anything you can disturb them, okay, and you can clear your doubts. And everyone are so cooperative that they will clear your doubts at any given point of time. And we are going to, our beauty, our college beauty is, we are going to make all the important questions and answers for your examination, okay, and each chapter will give you the important questions and answers. So we're going to explain that thoroughly, so that if you go to home and practice it, it becomes very, very easy for you people, okay, and you can be the topper in the class, and you can answer in the class, because see, Jivita beautifully she's answering, right? Taka taka taka, every this one she is answering. She's so fast, and I'll ensure that if she joins here 100%, I'll make her the topper. So definitely, because she is having interest in this subject, and definitely she'll come out as a topper of the college and topper of Karnataka. So nothing to worry. So what I mean to say is, PUC will be not like your 10th standard. So please, from the day one, concentrate each and every point, whatever the lecturer is telling. Okay, concentration is the key for success. And if you concentrate, then you'll become the topper. If you topper means you will get good marks. Good marks means you'll settle in your life in a very good manner and very good position. You need not go for 10,000 or 15,000 rupees salary. How much is the salary if you earn good marks and settle in a good company? Okay, like we can get into Wipro, we can get into Infosys, TCS, we can get into foreign countries. So many of my friends are settled in foreign. Okay, they're earning more than 10 lakh to 12 lakh per month, not here. Okay, 10 to 12 lakhs per month, beautifully, and they are helping the society people also who are poor. They're supporting them, and their families have become rich. So everything will take. Think about your father, how much struggle he's putting, or think about your mother if she's working. Okay, so she has to go to office, she has to spend a lot of time there, and again come home, cook for yourself, cook for you, cook for the family. So much struggle they are putting. So how you can repay them back? By getting the good marks and settling in your life in a good manner, so that you can take care of them nicely. That should be the motive. For that only we are all living today, right? So that tomorrow will be better. You people have to make it better, because everything is in your hands only. Clear? So please concentrate. All the subjects we will make it easier for you people. So only thing you need to concentrate. Clear? Hope you understood this problem clearly. And
Yes,
I'm going
sir.
to put, yeah, I'm going to put this same with solution. I'm going to put this problem into the WhatsApp, okay, and record also, all the recording also I'll put it in the WhatsApp today, and this problem also I'll just put it, and please go through that and practice at home. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Only 2 minutes is left, and I think the meeting will get cut. The classes will get over by itself. Tomorrow we're going to meet with new concepts and new things. Clear? And please,
Yes, sir.
please practice this problem at home today. Clear? I'm going to end this class now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.